Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your VPN settings with NordVPN on Windows 11 step by step clearly. To begin updating your VPN settings with NordVPN on Windows 11, ensure that you have the NordVPN application installed. Launch the NordVPN app from your desktop or the Start menu. Once the app opens, enter your account credentials to log in. After logging in, you will see the main dashboard of the application. Navigate to the left sidebar and click on the gear icon to access the settings menu. In the settings menu, you will find various tabs such as General, Auto Connect, and Advanced. Start with the General tab to adjust basic preferences. Here, you can enable features such as the Auto Connect option for convenience. Next, click on the Auto Connect tab. You can select which network you want to connect to automatically upon startup. Now, move on to the Advanced tab. In this section, you can adjust crucial settings like the protocol used for your VPN connection. Choose your desired protocol from options such as OpenVPN or IKEv2. If you want to enhance your privacy, consider enabling the Internet Kill Switch feature. This will ensure that your internet connection is cut off if the VPN disconnects unexpectedly. Now, return to the main dashboard. To connect to a VPN server, simply click on the large Quick Connect button. You can also manually select a specific server by clicking on countries or specialty servers. If you ever need to change settings again, your NordVPN settings are now updated for optimal use on Windows 11. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.